Hey, welcome to an unboxing of the Sony WH-CH520 pure wireless Bluetooth headphones. So I have reviewed the 510, which is previous generation, but we're now going over to the 520. And as you expect in typical Sony fashion, the box is pretty minimalistic with some features listed on the back side of the box. So I was not too impressed with the 510 version that I previously reviewed. I'll, put a link to the review of the 520 though, for your reference in the video description, because I definitely want to get into this and see where has Sony improved, hopefully, in many regards. Despite these being budget-friendly headphones, the 510 had some shortcomings, despite even the pretty good price tag. So again, I expect a little bit better from Sony, so I'm hoping that they kind of fix things up. In terms of the look alone, they do look better. Anyway, continuing with the unboxing, you see, I thought there was like documentation there because it's kind of like two flaps glued together. There's a quick start guide inserted in the middle of the box, and then of course there's a USB-C cable, one end being USB-A, the other is USB-C. Here the headphones itself, as I mentioned earlier, they look a bit better, a bit more polished in terms of just physical appeal compared to the 510, but we'll come down to how it works otherwise. And look, they have padding on the inside of the headband. The 510 did not. This time they fixed that and they put cushioning on the inside. Great for people that have little to no hair, right, in terms of comfort. So here's some additional documentation. So you had the quick start guide, which was kind of inserted on the inside of the box, right? It's part of the cardboard itself. This is more like, I guess, specifications and information on some of the button placement, which is kind of redundant in some ways, but they have various languages here as well. So I'm not sure why Sony always does this, but whatever, that's that. This, of course, I think is considered needed by law, safety and warranty information, which I was skipping. That's pretty much it. So if you want to look to the review, again, the link will be in the video description. Be sure to check my social links and website link also in the video description. Hit the like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.